Instant AI background replacement. Upload a photo of a product and Mockers AI magically replaces the background in a realistic way. So no more Photoshop. Try it for free. So come to this website app.mocker.ai, upload your product image and click on template, and there are so many templates, so you'll have to choose the template as per your need and as per your like. So I'll choose this one, outdoor backpack. Click on that, click. So you have to customize this bottle. You can do it large or small. Then click generate photo and see the result down there. They have generated 4 variations. Suppose I like this one, click on that and you can simply download it. See the result, how realistic looking like, and the quality is awesome. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day, all the best.